At Whooshh Innovations, we recognized a need for new sustainable technologies designed for the fish so they can feed the planet and the people on it, so we can be more efficient with our resources, and so clean renewable energy can grow faster.
Because a cannon that fires fish through a tube and over a dam is absolutely incredible.
We've come a long way from the viral videos of the salmon cannon and years of regulatory testing. We're now ready to scale and grow the business. It's called the Whooshh Passage Portal. It's a modular system that can be deployed anywhere. Fish swim in on their own. Our facial recognition scanner takes 18 high-definition images of the fish in a fraction of a second to determine, among other criteria, size and species, including invasive species. It's like a hyperloop for fish. Incredibly, it can whoosh up to 40 fish a minute. That's more than 57,000 fish a day. There are more than 1 million dams worldwide, more than 84,000 alone in the United States. And most dams have no fish passage, and those that do, they're ineffective.